sports program. This brand. It doesn't matter what you put on it. All ready. Open the device and try it. Every time I turn on the phone, the letters appear. I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's talk about the symbols around first. This lamp. If it lights up, the needle will run and the needle will stop. 100% never wrong. Ha, hit the corner. Then there's the yellow light. Remember to adjust the stop point of the needle column when the machine stops. This addition and subtraction is speed. That reduces the speed. Then now. Don't go to the program. This addition and subtraction is like P, not like that. Well, we press P for about 3 seconds. That P does not add or subtract. That's speed. I set it to 3,600 a while ago and now I'm lowering it. Let's try 3,000 or 2,900. Hey, I adjusted it outside. This is in the program, it will always be the same. But if you want to break the speed, the first is the direction of rotation of the overlock machine. Then reverse the direction and press for 3 seconds. Already speed. Press 1S to 0 to save. But after saving it, this way is the opposite direction. Then generally say that it is reversing the motor. Called running back and forth or something. Move down, there's a light on below. Are the same. Number 13 does not need to be used. 14 is the same. P5 is a reset for Chobo. 1 1 2 3 4 years out, that's a reset over there. Adjust according to its parameters, we will reset. A slow activation of the tip. As for the nose number, that is the number of stitches I want to set. Let it touch the first stitch. Number 7 is the first slow speed. Number 7 is speed. It's first knows it. I can slow it down as much as you like. That's the slowest, it's 1,000 and a half thousand and it's going fast. Set to 200 for ease. Number 8 is to set the first slow stitch number. How many programs does this board have? I installed 3 stitches, oh my god.
This board is so shit at 2, 3, 4 years.
It looks like I'm using it. Turn this feature off and turn it on. Please pay attention. Eight can do just 1 stitch with all his might. Then it's okay if it's slow. Slowing down also helps the head. Continue adjusting numbers. Kia numbers are not necessary. Right now our name is number 11. Number 11 is it displays the power source on the screen. Always take the example of my phone 202. 230V or 240V or something, it will all be displayed. Number 11. There. The meter is just as accurate. Continuous countless number 12.
Number 12 is to check your marbles.
Look at Show quickly. Hey, it's line 6-8 right hip pedal, hey pedal GA. Very strong, now let's correct it. P number 12. There we leave it tilted so we save it there. Save it here so you can remember and it will run correctly.
No, it's wrong, C.
For example, I press my heels all the way up.
Turn on the device and it will start running.
Wherever you put it, remember it. Number 13.
Number 13 is. Number 13 talks about the metal pillar, but I stopped tomorrow.
Adjust it again.
What's important is that the pad doesn't recoil.
Number 13.
So it's very convenient to adjust.
Its default number is 9. If you stop it, lie down and then you can go up and stop.
Then I'll mill it and then continue. We have countless P14.
But when we adjust this, it's the wrong parameter.
Then it pours and runs.
Then I see I haven't adjusted its parameters correctly.
Well, its correct number is
number 0. Four. All errors gone. Already.
Then number 15 means it won't turn off. It won't turn off.
Let's talk about the error. For example, the jack is connected to a Dan calf. This is jack knitting. Hey. For example, if it accidentally comes loose or something. Whoever he is, let him jerk it off. For example, it's asthma.
It shows error E02. It can't detect the RAHA signal. Please check carefully.
E03 is the motor injector. There. E02 is the pedal, E03 is the motor. Just check its plug problems. If it's broken again, send it in for repair. This hobbo is also very simple, it's nothing. Then E04 also talks about the motor. Check to see if the motor is locked, stiff or stuck. Come on, E05 is the power source.
High power source 05 is low power source E07. E08 is a broken motherboard due to a software error.
E11 is about the motor too. Generally.
There are some errors about the motor, which is E11.
E04, E03 is about the motor. Nothing complicated.